Welcome back, my lovely friends. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Georgi.
My name is Neve.
Yeah, and it's both of us again. She didn't give up. So yeah, welcome back for another video, another Sunday, another cocktail. But today we're doing how many?
Four.
Four. Yeah, we're doing four. I mean, we're doing one cocktail, four different variations. Yeah, four. Yeah?
Four.
You get that? So yeah, for a long time we wanted to do a martini cocktail, and we wanted to kind of share with you the way how we do it and the way how we like it. So that's not necessarily, don't take our words for it, not necessarily the way how other people may be doing it, but it's the way how we do it, how we serve it, and how we like it. Sounds good?
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
Yeah. So basically all you're gonna need today is 2 bottles, some ice, and some glasses to serve. So my friends, if you're ready, grab your mixing glass, some ice, and let's make some martinis. Okay, my friends, so before we make the martini, we just want to share a few of the rules which we have when we prepare the martini. And the rules are...
Keep the gin in the freezer, your vermouth in the fridge, and serve in a chilled glass.
Simple as that.
Simple as that.
Simple as that.
Simple.
If you want to get good martini, it needs to be cold as possible. All your ingredients needs to be cold. And of course, it's more pleasant when you drink it because it's a boozy cocktail, it's not dilution too much, and it's more velvety and more easy to drink. And I said that twice, but I'm gonna say it again. It's very nice and easy to drink when it's chilled. So we're gonna prepare today the martinis really quick. Neve's gonna make 2, I'm gonna make 2, and after this we're just gonna test and see which one is the best or which one we prefer. I know Neve doesn't like olives, so definitely the dirty martini won't be her jam, but hey, you never know. So boys and girls, if you're ready, grab your mixing glass, grab your gin, ice and everything, and let's do some delicious martinis.
Don't forget the spoon.
And don't forget the spoon.
For stirring.
Yeah, you need to stir with something.
Obviously.
Yeah, obviously. All right, let's crack on. So for the perfect martini, you need lovely frozen dry gin, London dry gin. And today we're using...
Number 3 London Dry. Noilly Prat vermouth.
which is the king of the vermouths, you know very well, it's one of the best.
Olive brine.
This is for the dirty martini, and for the garnish.
Olives.
Olives, she's so quiet.
Olives.
Yeah, for the garnish we have mozzarella olives today, very lovely Italian, and finally lemon for the lemon zest. So, my friends, let's start building some martini. Okay, the first martini we're gonna do today is the dry martini, and it's pretty simple. We're gonna do 60 ml or 2 ounces of the gin. Now, because it's dry, it's gonna be a little bit shorter, so you can add more gin if you're fancy. Then you have 7.5 ml of dry vermouth, a large cube of ice. The reason why we're using large cube of ice today is because we don't want to dilute too much the martini. We just want to chill it down and give it a quick stir. Don't overstir, and just serve in a cold glass, preferably. There we go. So grab your chill glass, your strainer, and just serve your perfect dry martini. You can garnish it with the olive or with the lemon zest. I do prefer lemon zest because it's a dry martini and the lemon works much better than the olive. And there you go, my friends. That's the perfect dry martini.
So we are starting with 60 ml gin. And 30 ml of the Noilly Prat. Large cube of ice. And now we stir. Now we have our chilled martini glass. And for the garnish, we're going to express the lemon zest. And there you have the wet martini. So the next on the list is the reverse martini, which is based on vermouth rather than gin. So we're going to go with 60 ml of the Noilly Prat. And this time, just 30 ml of gin. There we go. A large cube of ice and stir. Chilled glass and strain. And this one we're going to garnish with an olive, as that works better with the vermouth. And there you have it, the reverse martini.
Okay, my friends, the last one today, it's gonna be the dirty martini. We can't avoid this. So we're starting again with 60 ml of the gin. Then we're gonna go with Noilly Prat, but this time only 15 ml because we're gonna use olive brine for the dirty martini, and this is gonna be another 15 ml to bring everything to 1 ounce. So the olive brine is already prepared here in my small jar. But you can go directly from your olive jar. And again, a large cube of ice. And a good stir. Okay, grab our chilled glass. Strain the cocktail. And of course, because it's a dirty martini based on olive brine, of course we're gonna garnish with a nice olive. And this is it, my friends, your dirty martini. You good? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Mm-hmm. 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 That's all she's gonna say ever. Mm-hmm. It's hard work. I hope after 4 martinis she's gonna be more kind of a, you know, open to speak. But we'll see. So this is what we did. So we have the 4 martinis. First we start with the dry. The next one it's the wet martini, which is kind of the classic martini. The ratio, so 1 part of gin, half part of vermouth. Then we did, what we did after?
The reverse?
Yeah, so reverse. The reverse martini, obviously, which is?
More vermouth than gin.
Yeah, so
reverse.
If you like more kind of a, yeah, exactly, reverse. It makes sense. If you want kind of a more light cocktail and you like more the vermouth than the gin, that's your sip. And finally, some people love it dirty. So we did a dirty martini with olive brine. Now we're gonna have a little sip and see which one is our favorite. So first, cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, you're driving, so just a sip. That's a dry. Oh, that is dry. What do you think about it?
Thinking I probably shouldn't drive home.
Don't say it, okay? Right, that's dry. I like it. I think it's a very good for like a kind of starting aperitivo before lunch or before dinner. It's good to cleanse the palate, to open the appetite. It's a perfect sip. Then we have the wet one, which is the classic. Yeah, more drinkable. Of course, you have more vermouth here, so you have more the herbal notes inside. It's not that strong on the juniper. Still, the gin is present. But again, we've just done these cocktails and they're getting warm. That's the thing with the martini. It needs to be drunk where it's really cold. Because we did 4 at the same time, obviously they get warmer. But you get the idea. Better than the previous one? Yeah? Now she hates olives, so I don't know how I'm gonna make her try. This is the reverse one. Exactly what I expected. I can drink few of these. No reason whatsoever not to be honest, because it's a lovely light drink. Just a small touch on the back, yeah, from the juniper. You don't like olives, but how you feel about that? Can you feel the olive?
Not that much.
Not that much, but you're gonna feel the olive now.
Yeah, I'll still try it.
Your turn first. The dirty martini. No pressure. She doesn't like olives. That's a brave move. No her martini, definitely. But that's come to show that not every martini is for every person, okay? So you need to find the one which you like. I like it dirty. Oh no, that sounds wrong again. Every time I say something wrong. Yeah, salty, you have this olive, you have the heat from the gin coming. I mean, it's a wonderful sip, but you really need to like olives. So, on the scale from 1 to 4, because we just did 4, which one is your favorite?
Probably this one.
The classic one? Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm gonna be kind of a... yeah. So I'm gonna go with the dry. Then the reverse, which I kind of really like. Mm-hmm. The classic one is just somewhere. I can drink this anytime. And the dirty martini, I really need to be in the mood for it.
It's not for me.
No.
Not for me.
So there you go. You see? Honesty. That's all about on this channel. So first of all, before you disappear, we just want to mention thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. Make sure you hit the like button because YouTube's like it. We love it. Then don't forget to follow us on Just Shake or Steer, or I'll drop Nif Instagram as well, which doesn't have any post at the moment, which is amazing. But you can follow her, so just encourage her to start posting stuff. And also we have a Patreon page. Don't forget about it, yeah? We have one Patreon at the moment and we like to see more of you. If you want to support us independently, or you want to see some things behind the scene, or you want to get in touch with us directly, that's your way to do it. You can contact us on Patreon, we can have a conversation. And at some point we're going to be doing question and answers live stream, maybe on YouTube, maybe on Patreon. We don't know yet. And that's it, I think, everything.
Yeah.
Oh, one more thing. We are working on a podcast. We will let you know when it's going to start, okay? It's in the progress. So many announcements. Probably nobody's watching anymore. Yeah, finally, don't forget our merch. It's available. So if you hit our new shop, you can get 10% of your first order. Another way to support us. And yeah, now we're going to leave. Gonna go get drunk and probably order Nif taxi because she won't be able to drive. Right, guys? There you go. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Well done for the second video.
Cheers.
We are out of frame. Let's bend.
Cheers.
Cheers. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.